Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para one another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano po yung ating mabasa para po sa inyong enerhiya. Boat, Phoenix, and Palm Tree. Ngayon, ang gagawin po kasi natin ngayon ay gusto po nating malaman kung ano po yung mga magagandang bagay na mangyayari po sa inyong buhay. So what would come your way? What are the good things that or are coming your way? Okay? So tingnan natin sa tarot. I will divide the reading po first with work and money, career, and then family, and then love. We have the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. Bottom niya is the World. Ang first card mo dito, Virgo, is the Nine of Cups. Ito yung energy na merong talagang wish fulfillment, no? Yung katuparan ng iyong matagal ng minimithi. At itong katuparan na to ay magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa, a new beginning na swerte o pagdating sa kaperahan. Maybe it's something to do with starting a new business or a new work sa ibang kumpanya or a new position, no? Pag-angat mo sa iyong position, you're given a new responsibility, so it is a new beginning kasi syempre pag ando ka sa bagong posisyon o ibang responsibility sa iyong trabaho, meron ka pa mga bagay na pag-aaralan, so it is something new. Hindi naman totally alam na alam mo na lahat yan, di ba? But there is this thing that you are juggling. Parang may binabalansi ka pa rin pagdating sa iyong career, money, business, or it needs a lot of juggling, no? Yung ginagawa mong trabaho para to make sure that things are really working well. Okay? Kasi syempre, kung gaba parang if you need to make sure na balance yung pag-ayos mo ng mga bagay-bagay, like if you are into sales or marketing, of course you need to balance what management want and what the customer want, diba? If you are at HR, again, you need to make sure na you are with management but also dealing equally with the staff, no? Yung mga nagtatrabaho sa atin, no? Mga trabahante. So there's a lot of balancing what you do. Natural yan. That's very normal. Diba? Hindi naman all the time nakadikit ka nakadikit ka sa management palagi. Hindi naman ganun. You have to know how to also be with the other side. Kasi you wanted to be successful, di ba? Siyempre naman, lahat naman tayo. Gusto nating wagi, panalo, kung gaba, jackpot, yes. Di ba? Yung talagang alam mong nag-profit ako, yung ganun. Walang taong hindi naghangad ng ganito. Lahat tayo gusto nating maging successful. And you will be. Because you are continuously searching for it. Palagi mo siyang, kung gaba naging part na ng goal mo yan sa buhay. To be successful. There you go. No? Talagang hanap at hanap ka ng paraan para ma-achieve mo tong success sa buhay. No? And dito, kung hindi mo pa nakikita yun, o sabihin natin na para bang napufrustrate ka na kasi ang tagal-tagal mangyari. Now, this is the ending of that feeling. Kasi mag-start ka na ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Kung medyo sabihin natin nagsasawa ka na doon sa ginagawa mo, day in, day out. Now, the card is saying na magkakaroon na ng ending. Another cycle is coming into your life. May panibago kang gagawin. Okay, so it might be, sabi ko nga, diba, a promotion, or it might be something to do with a new job, perhaps, or baka mag-venture ka sa ibang business, or mag-start ka na ng business. No? With the World card, this is a start of a new beginning. Ito na yung new beginning. Kita mo laki ng pera. Diba? Gusto mo yan yung pera. Now, with the boat, this is saying, matatanggap mo naman yung kailangan mo What you receive is exactly what you need. Virgo. Kung ano yung kailangan mo, yun ang matatanggap mo. And you continuously moving, no? Moving towards na ma-achieve mo nga, matanggap mo yung gusto mo. No? This is a wish fulfillment. No? Talagang matupad yung iyong pinapangarap. So there's nothing really very wrong with, in terms of, in general yung inyong gusto mangyari sa inyong career, sa kaperahan, sa business. Okay? Ang nakikita ko dito na maganda is talagang you would have a new start. Something new. Iba. Maybe because you're such a hard worker, Virgo, that talaga namang sometimes, di ba, medyo nakakasawa rin. But, don't get me wrong, but it gives you that excitement if you're starting something new, di ba? Kasi, kung gaba parang very little lang yung alam mo dito, o basically it could be zero knowledge, so it gives you more, kung gaba, energy for you to find out, ano na, gusto mong malaman gusto mong matuto you want to acquire new things, new knowledge, new skills, and this is this new beginning, no? Ito yun, na magdadala sa iyo ng tagumpay, kaperahan, no? Magandang reputation, magandang pangalan, and kaya nga sabi ko, you continuously searching for that. Talagang hanap at hanap ka ng ganun na makakaangat sa'yo. Okay? So, in terms of work, again, money, career, business, wala tayong problema sa future. Okay? Now, natin yung family. Over you go. You have the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. Bottom niya is the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so ang family naman natin, i-start ka ng card mo dito with the Knight of Swords. So, ang Knight of Swords natin requires fast movement, mabilis na galaw, mabilis na aksyon. Mabilis na aksyon pagdating sa pagbibigay ng pagmamahal. When it comes to family, no question about it. Yan yung pinapakita mo rito eh. Basta sa pamilya, sige, all in ka dyan. Diba? Pag may kailangan, si tatay, si nanay, ang mga kapatid, ang anak, ang asawa, sige. Sige ka, basta ito ay lahat galing sa iyong puso. No? Comes from the heart. Because you love your family. Napaka-importante sa'yo ng pamilya mo. Page of Pentacles. You might, well, I just wanna say, you might not be that, sabihin natin na Virgo is so, yung alam mo yun, yung very emotional or sabihin natin very showy, no, pagdating sa pagbibigay ng love and attention. But definitely, you make sure that everything runs smoothly. You provide what they need. Especially pagdating sa finances, okay? And time, bibigay mo yon. Kung yung kailangan nila, bibigay mo. Now, here with the Page of Pentacles, of course, this is telling me na a message of solidarity. Yung mensahe na talagang, alam mong, pang pamilya ka talaga. Solid ka eh. Hindi mo sila i-give up. Hindi mo sila tatalikuran. You will stick through them through thick and thin. Ano mang mangyari, para sa'yo, pamilya is pamilya. Okay? Kahit nasabihin natin na nag-iisa ka, being single at the moment, no, with the Nine of Pentacles and having it all, still, para sa'yo, pamilya pa rin. No? Priority mo pa rin sila. Hindi lang sarili mo, kung hindi, lalo na pati ang pamilya. Okay? And this is somebody that, yung pagdating kasi sa family, you're very nostalgic about it. No? Yung talagang, kung gabat tinatamaan yung puso mo, hindi, kung gabat, if there is this weak point sa Virgo, it is your family. No? Talagang, para sa'yo, sila talaga yung medyo humihina o bumibigay ka sa pamilya, pinag-usapan. Now, before I go to that card, ano sinasabi dito? Because you work so hard para sa kanila with the Eight of Pentacles. Yung pagtatrabaho mo ng masigasig is because of your family. Para sa kanila lahat. Para makatulong ka to make sure they're all in good condition. You know? Walang problema. Kaya gusto mo, basta din sa pamilya, hindi ka nagpapatumpik-tumpik, no? If they need anything, sasabihin mo, gagawin mo agad. Kailangan ng kapatid ko ng ganito, tuition fee, bigay. Kung meron ka rin agad, bigay. Ang tatay nangangailangan ng gamot, bili. Ang mga bata gusto pumunta sa magbakasyon sa ganito, sige, pag-iipunan ko, gawin natin. Si Mr. may planong magpatayo ng isang maliit na kubo lang, maybe a rest house or somewhere sa province. Sige, tignan natin. Pag kaya, bilhin. O si Mrs., something like that. Diba? Phoenix. So this is really yung paglalaki, no? Your growth. A new phase, panibagong pag-uumpisa. This is giving you that parang good luck sa iyong family. Magandang basbas kung gaba. The phoenix is rising. This is a good omen when it comes to your family, Virgo. Kasi ang sinasabi dito, paglaki, pagbago, pag-angat, pagsasama-sama muli. Kung nagkahiwalay kayo before, nagkagulo kayo, this is the time that it will be rekindled. No? Maayos lahat. Kasi it is really something that is very nostalgic sa'yo. Yung talagang nakakabalik ng nakaraan. Okay? So, comes to family, you're doing fine. Now, sa love life, Virgo, you have the Two of Wands, the Page of Cups, the Five of Cups, Temperance, and the Ten of Wands. Bottom niya is the Page of Swords. Okay, so sa love life, Virgo, meron kang iniintay na mangyari. You are looking forward to something na gusto mo mangyari. Inaano mo parang ina-anticipate mo na mangyari na sana, magawa na, o matupad na. Kasi with the Page of Cups, ano ba yung iniingin mo katuparan? It's just to receive a love message. Something very sweet and simple and pure. A love message. Maybe from someone. Kasi in the past, I think you have a regret, no? May feeling of regret ka dito o pagsisisi, Virgo. May feeling ka ng pagsisisi rito na sana binalanse mo yung pagkakataon o pangyayari o yung oras mo, no? Temperance is all about balance. Para hindi naging burden, hindi ka naging, alam mo, hindi naging mabigat o frustrating yung pangyayari. Kasi kung gawa parang pakiramdam mo, ayan na siya pero parang hindi ko pinansin o hindi ko binigyan ng halaga. Hindi naman sa binaliwala, but hindi mo lang binigyan ng pagkakataon o hindi mo binigyan ng oras. Kasi busy ka. And the thing is, yun yung katotohanan that's the truth. You cannot go away with the truth. I mean, that is the truth. Kaya kung gaba parang iniintay mo na bumalik siguro tong person na to, no? You're looking forward for that person, looking forward for this person to send you again a love message. No? Because nagkaroon ka nga ng parang panghihinayang, no? Kasi hindi mo ginawa yung tama. Kung hindi mo binalanse yung oras mo, you didn't give equal time for this person as against to what you're doing on a mundane thing. Kaya naging pabigat, o frustrating, o nakakalungkot, o nakakapanghinayang, no? As if you wanted to, sayang, yung kung ba nagka-ending, yung nagkaroon ng pagtatapos kasi. And what does this palm tree say? palm tree, di ba? Ito yung mga puno ng nyug. Puno ng palm. Ano bang ginagawa nila? Di ba? Napaka-sturdy nila. Kasi they swing. Sumusunod sila sa agos, no? Ng hangin. Agos ng hangin. Ulan at bagyo. No? So, very enduring. Tumatagal. Lumalaki. Tumatagal, lumalaki. Nagiging flexible. So, that is what the advice here. Kung ba yung love life mo has to be something that is stable, something that it has to be secure, something that is, sabihin natin na merong growth, paglaki, something that would endure, may endurance, no? Pagtatagal, at flexibility, umaayos, no? Marunong sumayaw sa ihip ng hangin. Kaya dapat ganun ang iyong relationship. Huwag masyadong naka-fix or fixated sa pagtatrabaho, wala akong oras, busy ako, mga ganun. Para walang regret. Okay? Tingnan natin. Bakit nandito yung Five of Cups? Bakit nandito yung Five of Cups? Hermit, your card. The King of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. So, ano bang nire-regret mo? Iniisip mo kasi ngayon, no? Saan ka nagkamali? You've been contemplating of things that you have done wrong or should have done. Because you just wanted to be honest to this person, to be able to come to, kung ba parang makamit yung Ten of Pentacles, and having it all. Niregret mo kasi hindi mo sinabi sa kanya yung katotohanan, at yung kagustuhan mo na siya yung makasama mo pang habang buhay. Nag-hold back ka kasi pinag-isipan mo mabuti. Matagal siguro yung pag-iisip mo, kaya kung ba, di ba sabi ko parang nagkaroon ng ending. Nag-regret kasi hindi mo nasabi, you weren't able to say it, hindi mo na parating. Okay? So ano yung advice Angel dito para sa iyo, Virgo? Ano advice yung para kay Virgo? Take action. Take action. Paka-simple. Gumalaw ka. O sabihin, gawin mo na yun sa tingin mo dapat mong gawin. Para wala ka regret. If you feel this person is still the one that you've been looking forward, no? Mag-action ka. Hindi yun nag-iintay-intay ka lang. Okay? Paka-simple. Direct to the point. Now, it's up to you if you will follow or not. Okay? You take my angel's advice or not. So, kung kanino man po itong Virgo na enerhiya na nakuha po natin sa pagbasa nito, sana po nakatulong ito sa inyo malaki. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.